What's up YouTube, it's your girl Heaven and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing this highlighted bob from BAISI hair. Right here I'm just showing y'all how I hook my elastic band together through the wig just so that it can be more secure on my head and I can use less glue. So I'm going to just apply one layer of glue and then make sure that I spread it out evenly so that my wig can stick evenly. Side note, what type of content would y'all like to see from me? I'm thinking about doing mini vlogs or like some clothing hauls or maybe even some like get ready with me. So if that's something that y'all are interested in, please comment down below and let me know. While the glue is still drying, I'm going to be adding some foundation to the inside of the lace. And then I'm going to put it on my head so I can make some slits so that it's easier for me to adjust the wig onto the glue. When you apply the lace to your glue, make sure you're putting the front of the lace over the front of the glue, if that makes sense. Like, make sure that you're putting the lace on top of the glue, not behind the glue, so that you don't have that sticky residue at the beginning. Once I get the wig adjusted to my liking, I'm going to cut off the ear tabs One thing I like about this install is the fact that I styled this wig prior to installing it. It made the process so much easier, so I think that's what I'm going to try to start doing from now on. I was rushing to install this wig because I was going out with my family, but outside of that, I think I'm going to start styling my wigs first because it makes it so much easier and so much quicker. But right here, I think I'm about to add some even spray around the perimeter and then place an elastic band on there. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit because, like I said, I'm going somewhere, so I can't really let it melt down, but I want it to be secure so that it's not flying away or anything. So while that's melting down, I'm going to multitask and take my eyebrow pencil, because that's all I had, and I'm going to like fill in the kind of over bleached parts, and then I'm also going to add some concealer into the part just to make it look more natural and not so, wiggy, obviously. But I'm just making sure that that part is straight, adding my concealer, and blow dry the perimeter a little bit, and then straighten the ends out again because I did put a hair tie on there and I want it to be braids straight. Now right here I'm just making sure that the beginning of my lace is straight. That way when I cut the lace and everything, I don't cut off too much. Because sometimes, we be cutting off a little bit of hair. But I'm just going to take my razor and I'm going to go along my hairline and kind of rip the lace with the razor. That way it's like not perfectly straight, but it's also, neat. A little jagged, so it blends better once I add my foundation on top and lay my edges down over it. You won't be able to see the hairline. Alright, so after I section off these edges, I'm going to add some more even spray around the perimeter of my hairline just to make sure that I don't have any lifting going on. I'm going to blow dry that for a little bit, probably like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go back in and cut the edges and lay them down. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of long, kind of short, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you.